Chip of the day. Everybody loves chip of the day. The chip is under there. There's a chip. There's nothing else on this PC board. There's a chip. So I'm going to call it chip of the day, even though I don't know what that chip is. It's labeled H-38, so we'll call it the H-38 chip. I bought this off of Alibaba for like, I don't know, 35 cents, something like that. They're little modules, and you put some voltage on it, and there's like a touch thing here. It says you can put a switch on it if you wanted to. Now it needs a 360K resistor. I don't know why. And then you hook up a speaker. So I'm waving too far, aren't I? There we go. So we are going to hook it up. But first, let me show you the part under a microscope. So you can see it's on a single-sided PC board, and there is one unused pin. I'm not quite sure what that unused pin does. We might try grounding that or something, see if it does anything different. But yeah, let's get this thing hooked up and see if it works. So here it is. I hooked up a speaker and a 360K resistor. Whenever there's a place to put in power, I just put in a capacitor, okay? Because I have like 10,000 of these things, so I just use them up. So it doesn't hurt to have a capacitor on the input, and it gives me a place to clip the leads, and this basically acts as an insulator between the two so they don't short together. So anyway, that's just what I do. So I'll hook up power, I'll hook up ground, and we will put this on camera, and we'll push the thing, and nothing happens. Push the thing, nothing happens. A little bit dry today. I'm going to lick my finger. Whoa, that's an angry dog. Come on, you can do it. Lick my finger. Woof. All right, there you go. That was the H-38. Yeah, you can find these in Alibaba. Barks like a dog. Let's ground that pin just to see if it does anything different at all. Seems to be a disable pin. I can't make it go when that's grounded. I don't care about this thing, so let me put 5 volts on it. Might not like that either, but we'll do that. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Put 5 volts. Oh. Well, it went right away. Oh, there you go. Okay, that's enough of him. Down, boy. Down. So, there you go. If you tie 5 volts onto that thing, it barks forever.